So here we are in Maryville's Falls walkway in between Kimberly and Cranbrook in Maryville's town in British Columbia, and we're just enjoying the magnificent area of this place in this nice, gorgeous day. So we are so grateful. So how are you? How are you? I'm here in this beautiful place that is the Maryville's Falls in Kimberly, BC, in British Columbia, and it's just our first little trail really after our search of looking for a rental house to be in the 6 months of winter. So great to be here, my friends, in this channel of Less Stress for You, that really we are enjoying nature and enjoying the connection today in this glorious day, and really thanking Mother Earth and the universe for giving us the opportunity to find those places that now we are good to go. So I just wanted to share with you all this nice place, and perhaps you go in your area where you're quiet and you close your eyes after listening and after seeing the whole view, and just imagining yourself with this water coming down to clear your mind, to give you the ease and grace for your path and for your intentions and for your desires. So I just honored you and I send you in peace. Enjoy this video that is just a little sharing. Namaste.